This is not how I made $100,000 in 6 months kind of channel. This is me starting a brand new YouTube channel from zero. No subscribers, no secret team, no massive budget. I am documenting everything: the wins, the flops, the tools, the strategies. All of it step by step, so you can follow along and grow your own channel too. I created this channel because honestly, most YouTube advice feels either outdated, overly polished, or simply not made for beginners. I wanted to know what actually works if you are starting from scratch in 2025. So I decided, instead of just watching, I am going to be the test subject. I'll build a channel in public, use free tools, mostly AI, and break down exactly what I do to get views, subscribers, and eventually income. If you're tired of the guessing game and just want someone to show you the real process, then this is your channel. Here's the deal. Some videos might flop, I might take wrong turns, but that's the whole point. You'll see the real process, so you don't waste months doing things that do not work. If you're starting out too, if you're at zero, stuck under 100, or just trying to get your first 1,000 subs, then you're not alone. Let's figure this out together. If that sounds like something you'd like, then hit subscribe and stick around. This channel isn't about me, it's about building with you. Comment where you are at right now. I want to know. Are you just starting? Trying again? Feeling stuck? Let's make this the most transparent YouTube growth journey on the platform. Zero hype, just results. We are not just building channels, we are building freedom, confidence, a community, and proof that we can do this one video at a time. Signing off, this is Nick from Creator Shift with Nick. I'll see you in our next video.